Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new to me, kindly click on the red subscribe button down below to subscribe to my channel free of charge, so that you don't miss anything on this channel. In this video, I will be sharing with you some insight into the Odù Ifá Ọ̀sáméjì. Odù Ifá Ọ̀sáméjì takes the 10th position in the order of the 16 major Odù Ifá. Whoever this Odu appears to during an Ifá divination section, it means Iyami or Ẹlẹ́yẹ should be appeased for this person to be free from whatever tribulation facing such person, as this Odu is the Odu of the Iyami Oshorunga or Iyami Ẹlẹ́yẹ, known as witches. Mo ṣe ìbà, accept my respect. You may wish to know who Iyami or Ẹlẹ́yẹ are. A video is at the end screen of this video that does justice to it. So, by appeasing the Iyami or Ẹlẹ́yẹ, it means such person will have to offer sacrifice known as Ẹbọ in Yoruba religion, which will be prescribed by the Babalawo known as Ifá priest, who revealed this Odu. In our culture as Yorubas, we so much respect elders, be it Iyami or not. As long as you are an elder, you deserve to be respected. In most cases, Iyami usually deal with whoever disrespects them by, for instance, blocking fortunes for such person or do something else. In the Odù Ifá Ọ̀sáméjì, it means Ọ̀sá on the right and Ọ̀sá on the left. As it is told in a story of this Odu, the story says that the leadership of the Irúnmọlẹ̀, Ògún, Ọbàrìṣà, and Odu were dispatched by Olódùmarè from Òde Ọ̀run. The two of them were given power, excluding Odu, as Olódùmarè asked them to go to the face of the earth. Odu therefore turned back to Olódùmarè and complained that she is the only woman among the three with no special power. Olodumare, however, gave her ẹyẹ known as bird and says men will not be successful without taking women into consideration. In the Oriki of this Odu, it says in Yoruba language, Ọ̀sà méjì ó bu yankan-yankan sétí ọpọ́n, adífá fún Ṣàngó Olúkòso láàlú, Bámbí arígbá ọ̀tá ṣẹ́gun, meaning Ọ̀sà méjì, the first aggressor. It perfectly fitted on the edge of the Ifa tree. This cast Ifa divination for Ṣàngó Olúkòso láàlú, the one with the powers to overcome in any war front. In the Odu Ifa Ọ̀sà méjì, Ifa explains what happened between the Iyami and human beings. When humans and birds came to the heads called Aye from the sky, known as Ọ̀run, they made the sacred promise that they will never ever kill each other. Time passed by, human beings became hungry because there wasn't food for them, and so they started to die one by one. Eshu came to humans and put in their minds that while they were dying with so many birds around, humans decided to break the promise and started to kill the birds and eat them. The Eleye became very furious and went to Olodumare, who said that human beings were guilty, and since that moment the Eleye or Iyami will have the power to interfere in the human's life and do what they want with them. Human beings broke the promise, they broke the equilibrium, and now they need Iyami's favor to avoid negativities. Yes, since then, human beings need Iyami's favor to avoid negativities. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click on the red subscribe button down below to subscribe to my channel free of charge so that you don't miss anything on this channel. Until we see again, get a better life.